What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my laboratory, where safety is number 2 priority.
What do you mean number 2 priority? What's your number 1 priority?
Well, beer, of course.
No! Safety is number 1 priority.
All right, let's start the show.
What are we doing anyways?
I don't know.
Like, just make a dry ice bomb and film it in slow motion. Everybody been asking.
The dry ice experiment?
Yeah,
I
dry
really
ice.
want to see that.
Dry ice explosion, safety, you know?
Safety, let's do this.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna grab a bunch of dry ice. And whenever we're gonna drop it, whole bunch of it.
We're just going to stay right here, right?
No, we're gonna run as soon as we can. Okay. I say we run now. Oh yeah! Pete, come on! Guys, do not try this at home. Check this out. It just exploded the cup off. Well, let's see it in slow-mo. Alright guys, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, it was good. I pretty much realized safety maybe is number 1 priority. And beer, well, number 2.
Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you Furious Pete for helping me out doing this video.
It was fun.
Yeah, you better subscribe to him, links in the description. And
remember, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it.
yeah, and click it over here. There might be something special coming out in his channel in slow motion, so you guys are gonna enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.